moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. It produces most of the tides. It measures a month. It protects Earth from dangerous asteroids and meteoroids. Why don't we learn more about our moon? These are 14 spellbinding facts about the moon. Number 1. The moon is clumped up pieces of Earth. Around 4.5 billion years ago, when Earth was still a baby, a Mars-sized planet called Theia collided with Earth. This explosion caused enormous lava tsunamis all over the world. There were trillions of debris. And gravity pulled and clumped all the debris together, forming the moon. Number 2. The moon doesn't orbit around Earth. Astronomers say that the moon does not orbit around Earth like you were taught. Instead, the moon and the Earth both orbit around a place called the barycenter. Some scientists say that the moon is not an actual moon. Number 3. The moon is the brightest object in the night sky. The moon is the brightest object in the night sky. If you somehow took the moon away from Earth, nights would be a lot darker, even with Venus and stars. Number 4. The moon's gravity is extremely weak. If you weighed 100 pounds or 45 kilograms on Earth, you would only weigh 17 pounds or 8 kilograms on the moon. On Earth, gravity pulls you at 9.8 meters per second, but on the moon, gravity pulls you at 1.6 meters per second. Maybe people should open up a gym on the moon. Number 5. The moon had oceans. Scientists think that the big gray spots on the near side of the moon's surface were once oceans. But wait, it's not what you expect. The oceans were not made out of water, but lava. Number 6. The moon is a big moon. Scientists and astronomers say that the moon is the 5th largest satellite in the solar system. After Jupiter's moon, Io, Jupiter's moon, Callisto, Saturn's moon, Titan, and Jupiter's moon, Ganymede. Number 7. The moon is not an exact sphere. Despite looking round, the moon is not an exact sphere. It is shaped kind of like a lemon because of Earth's gravity tugging on it. Number 8. The moon is getting further away from Earth. Scientists say that the moon is inching away from us 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters every year. When the moon just formed, it was about 13,000 miles from Earth. Now, it's more than 250,000 miles away from Earth. 600 million years into the future, it will be so far away that full solar eclipses will be impossible. Number 9. The moon has a very drastic temperature change. At the equator or close to it, the temperature in the day is 250 degrees Fahrenheit, or 121 degrees Celsius, and in the night, the temperature is minus 279 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 172 degrees Celsius. Number 10. There are moonquakes on the moon. Scientists say that there are moonquakes on the moon, but they happen much less often than Earth's. They can measure 5.6 on the Richter scale and happen closer to the core of the moon. Number 11. The footprints on the moon from astronauts will stay there for a lot of time. The footprints on the moon will stay there for about 1 million years before finally fading away. The reason for this is because erosion on the moon is not that rapid like it is on Earth because there is no wind or water on the moon to erode the footprints. Number 12. The moon sort of has a weak atmosphere. Scientists say that the moon has an exosphere, which is basically a very weak atmosphere. It is made out of neon, helium, and argon. Number 13. There is water on the moon. Really? Under the moon's surface at the poles, there are some puddles of frozen water. It would be extremely hard to find this water, though. And finally, number 14. Sometimes the moon is called the blood moon. When full lunar eclipses happen, the Earth casts its shadow onto the moon, and that shadow is reddish-orange. As a result, it makes the moon seem bloody in color. Ooh, scary. Perfect night for a horror movie, huh? Which fact was your favorite? Please share in the comments below, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.